Hey everyone, today in this video I'm going to walk you through the mobile app settings for the Ecovacs Deebot X8 Pro Omni. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. So we're in the Ecovacs app right here. It's a free app available for iOS and Android devices. Download it from your app store, sign into your account or create an account. Then you'll be at this screen where we can view and manage all of our devices. So in this case, we want to go enter into the X8 Pro Omni. We can select the image or hit the enter button towards the bottom right-hand corner. So we're going to select that. That'll take us to our main screen where we can view our map. We have our Eco voice assistant right there where we can learn more. Then towards the bottom, we have two different tabs for the Deebot and the station that we'll look at. So there's a lot to go over here. We'll start in the top right-hand corner. We have our Eco icon, we have a camera icon, that's for live video monitoring. For those that are interested, you can do that right here from within the app. And we have the settings icon as well. So we have a map user guide up at the top, we can learn more. We can view our cleaning log, set a schedule. We also have different scenarios here if you want to add a customized cleaning scenario, like post-meal. They have some suggestions if you want to use those, or build your own. Then we have our maintenance. So we have updated status on each individual part and component that will eventually need to be replaced. So they keep track of everything for you right there. Then we have robot advanced settings. So we can adjust our cleaning sequence. So choose how you want it to clean and which order. We have auto resume. We can toggle that on or off if there's unfinished tasks. Do not disturb mode. Clean along the floor. So we can clean along the floor direction if we want. So you can see those settings here if you need to adjust that. Then we have suction boost on carpet, clean carpet first, carpet deep cleaning. We can toggle that on or off. Carpet recognition standard or sensitive. AI intelligent hosting. So a couple smart settings that we can go over and toggle on or off as we see fit. Intelligent deep mopping, their AVI 3D 3.0. Adaptive edge cleaning, child lock. We can learn more about our robot. So a lot of advanced settings you want to spend a couple minutes looking at. This is just going to show you those settings in this video so you can find them and tweak them as needed. Then we have our station advanced settings so we can toggle on or off auto empty, dust collection power, standard or quiet mode. Force operation without water. You can choose to do that or not. Adjust your washing method. Mop washing frequency. By room, by time, or smart. Hot air drying duration, 2, 3, or 4 hours. Off-peak charging. Intelligent addition of cleaning solution. If you want to use that, you can. And then we can learn more about the station. So a lot of station customization options. Then we have our Eco settings here if you want to toggle on or off the voice assistant. And you can learn more about the different voice commands. Multiple tabs you can navigate to learn more. Feedback. Then we have our live view settings. This is for live video monitoring. You can set up a password if you want for extra security. Display settings. So on our map, you can toggle these on or off. Help section. If you need any help, you can view the user guide and manual. Lab features. So we can toggle these on or off if we want. Product improvement program for feedback, device relocation if you're going to move the device. A couple things that you can go through with that procedure. And then down at the bottom, find my robot, roller mop, release or retract, share and delete. So a lot of settings here for the vacuum. We'll go back out. Now on the map, we can zoom in or out, right? See the rooms, the floor type. We can add zones for zone cleaning. Up to 5 zones. And then we have our map options here. So up at the top, that plus icon, we can add new maps. This does support multiple maps. We can rotate our map. And then we have all of our settings down at the bottom here. Virtual walls, divide or combine rooms, add furniture. We can move walls if we need to extend a wall, material, threshold ramp. We can add those if we want, or delete an area. So a lot that we can do here, guys. I want to show you the virtual boundaries too, but they walk you through that right there, where you could just drag and drop it on the map, linear or rectangular, up to you. and then you can confirm it. So very nice, very easy. Everything's drag and drop on the map to adjust and change. That's where you'll find your map settings. Also in the top right-hand corner, you get additional map settings here: name, backup, restore, or delete your map. And now we'll take a look at the two tabs that we clicked on earlier at the bottom here. So we'll start with the Deebot tab, auto clean, choose our mode, vac only, vac and mop, mop after vacuuming. We can adjust our suction power settings, multiple settings there. Same with mopping, we can adjust our water flow. Basically, we can go really light all the way down to 1, or we can go up to 50, and we have a little warning there for streaking. Or you can land somewhere in between. Cleaning speed, so we have 3 different options: standard, deep cleaning, and then quick. And then how many cleaning passes do we want? 1 or 2. And then we can go back to the robot advanced settings that we looked at from the main settings menu down at the very bottom there. And now looking at the station tab here, we have a couple options for the Omni station. We can empty the dustbin, we can start a mop wash, and activate mop drying. We also have our station advanced settings here that we can get to again that we looked at from the top right hand corner settings icon. So it's a very detailed app with a lot of customization.